morning, boys. What's up?
Not much.
We're gonna go shoot some honkers?
Yes, sir.
What's up, Hanker?
Not much. How about you?
Oh, not much either. Did you go out yesterday?
No, that was a Snick and Brady.
Okay. Who shot him yesterday, Brady?
I shot 3 and he shot 1.
You shot 3?
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
We lost one. We couldn't find it in the beans.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
Coyote bait?
Yeah, apparently.
Hmm. You guys seem as awake as I am.
Yeah.
6 o'clock in the morning, second day of early goose season. Yesterday I didn't get to go out. Sounds like Brady and his daddy, Mr. Nicholas, went out and had a little success, and we're hoping to duplicate that today. Maybe.
I hope we get a lot more than they did yesterday.
Oh, more decoys.
People, yes. only at geese. That's right. Dang, I already got a bite on my net. I'm really cleaning those things.
So the sun is up. Our guns want to be up, but the birds are not up. We have nothing flying right now.
No shit.
We're pretty sure it's Henry's fault.
Yeah.
He's the bad luck charm.
Every time.
Every time.
I tell you. Every time. I have bad luck. Let me tell you. My eye wasn't that bad.
That is a wrap on the morning hunt. No geese. Very few birds actually were even flying. A couple doves, a couple pigeons, but not our target.
No.
Oh, Hank here, he's double fisting. He's got 2 shotguns he's rolling with today.
Sure.
Colby.
Yep, you got this whole other side. That's so good.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. Perfect. Is Henry making breakfast?
Was Henry making breakfast? Yeah, the deal was supposed to be Henry was supposed to make breakfast since we didn't shoot any geese. You just watch those pancakes too.
I'm watching them.
Huh?
Yeah. She broke this one. Someone broke it. Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah. Phew. Oh, get Henry. Henry.
What's going on, Brady?
Well, we just got done eating breakfast after our hunt. Then all of a sudden we hear some geese flying over, and I don't think it's geese. It sounds like geese. So we walk outside, group about 15 of them, fly over, heading to our spot. So I think we're gonna try to do a spot and stalk, and see if it works.
Jump shooting geese. Is that the plan?
Yeah, very. That's insane.
The boys just don't want to give up. Nothing wrong with that. Oh yeah, they're right where we were.
Yep.
They're back there right where we were. Yeah, I can see them with the binos. Yeah, just on the edge of the pond, but in the grass. Yeah. Oh boy. The trouble you boys are getting Nick and I into.
I mean, it's gonna be worth it if we get some, man.
I suppose.
Yeah, I couldn't see him
Yeah.
on the road.
I saw the one's white chest, and I'm like, oh, that's a goose. And I look, and yeah, they're all right there.
Right where we were set up.
Pretty much, yes. Right in that corner.
What do you think? Just mosey back there and see what happens?
I guess. I mean, you gotta use the bottom side, obviously, below the dike.
We're gonna try to go all the way out.
And they're I mean, that tree
There's that big, I don't know if there's a sycamore or what right behind us. That's right where they're at.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That way. Yeah. Okay.
So we'll just slide up there, get to a parallel to them, and then we'll all four of us will just ease up together.
Even if we stop a little short of them, so hopefully they go that way.
Yeah, that's true.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Stop a little short of them.
on the ground, can we still shoot? Yeah.
I'm waiting for mine to get up.
No, I'm just shooting right now.
Okay. Do what you gotta do, but I'm waiting for mine to fly.
This is crazy.
It is kind of crazy. I've got a GoPro on my stinking hat. A GoPro on the gun. Oh, crap. There's a group right here in the middle of the pond. No, they're in the grass, but on this edge.
Oh, I think I just saw them. Oh, yeah, I see them.
Should we go after those instead?
Are those close enough if we get up to that hill?
That's what, oh yeah. If we
This is Kyle's property right here. To the
Right.
pond, So we can go
but if we duck
Come
back
over
through
the
the pine trees
come over the hill.
and over that hill, we should be right on top of them.
Alright, so if they go in the water, land in the water, we two are swimming together.
I'll swim. I'll swim. We can both swim.
All right, you guys gotta stay down to back up, and we gotta loop back around. Okay. Watch your gun. Watch your muzzles. Yeah. Get down. I think that's the second group that came from the south, because there's a smaller group. Okay, hey, easy. All right, we're gonna sneak. I think they were right here, by this hill, weren't they? I think so. All right, over here. No, I think we go right up over the hill. What if they hear us? Well, they probably will. That's why we just gotta be super stealthy. So we'll go up, and we'll get in the line of four, okay? And then we'll just come up over the hill. We'll count to 3, 2, 1, and come up over the hill.
Just a boom, boom, boom.
Right by that pine tree. Stay low though. Do you see him yet? Yeah, I got heads. What do you think? They're out there a little bit. They're about, I'm gonna say they're probably what, 40 yards. You need to be up on this bank more. Are they on the water? They're right on the edge. Try to get people on this side of the pine tree. Push. Yeah, you guys crawl. You guys are gonna have to crawl. Just watch your gun muzzle. Brady. Don't shoot those house. They still right there. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3. We dropped one out of that group.
Just swim out there and get him. Just swim out there and grab its neck.
We better go help them. Well, the spot and stalk kind of worked.
Yeah.
Yeah. The group that we were actually after, thought we were going to be after, was definitely where we wanted them to be, to use the terrain to our advantage. But then we walked up and around this dike,
Yeah, he's got a boat.
And there was another group that was a little bit closer, so we used the terrain and got just within shooting distance. And out of what, 14 geese, I think we dumped one. So either way, it was ridiculous. I look ridiculous. I got a GoPro on top of my hat, but it was fun. Yeah.
This way's good, probably.
This is so tough.
I ain't never.
Yeah, right?
That's a first.
That is a first. For sure.
It looks like a nice goose.
Yeah. Look at those two knuckleheads.
Hey.
Come here.
That's the most expensive retrieved dog I've ever had.
You're right.
Good boys.
Good dogs.
There we go.
There you go.
Well, this morning wasn't for nothing, I guess.
You got her, Hank?
Put that thing up there. No bands.
No bands. Nope.
Got the wad.
Attaboy, Henry.
Right here. At least I did something productive.
You're very productive, Henry. You made breakfast.
I know.
God darn it. I think you were the one that heard the geese coming when they flew over during breakfast. Oh,
Nicely done.
nicely done. So in short, in closing, goose season didn't go quite how we expected to. Early goose on the second day, but god darn it, did we have fun, right, boys?
Sure did.
I'm sick crap.
We set up right on the edge.
What's up, Nicholas? What's up? Hello, Nick. Hey, Bob, how's it going?
You good?
You need more decoys? You got enough?
Probably. If we can squeeze any more in, we'll take them. I don't know if we can.
Oh, you got some lights on that thing, huh?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I didn't even have it.
We've kicked our ass the first 2 days.
Yeah, that's what Jack was saying.
I've never had an early season
Like this?
where, yeah, the birds are there and then they're not. Like, usually early season, you don't have to scout a whole lot. You find them in a field and they're going to be there until they get shot at. But they've been here in the morning, gone in the evening, gone for the next complete day.
Yeah.
So, but they were here yesterday morning. So, I mean, I don't know. As far as spots that I got, this would be
The
my
one.
best shot, I think. So,
You awake, Junior?
Yeah.
that light helps.
Got used to it.
This your first time out this year, Tatum?
Going
You're
in.
giving out all both mornings? Nice.
We've been
Die
out,
hard.
we've been out all 3 mornings.
We got 800 blinds and 900 decoys.
You got 3 blinds, Bob?
Yeah.
That's a full load.
Yeah.
So our stock yesterday did sort of work.
Well, I seen somebody went swimming, so it must have worked.
Yeah.
Yours.
Yeah, we're gonna put you on the rig for a little bit.
Yeah, go down there and get some piles going. Huh?
These have steaks.
Friggin'
Take them down there. We are set up. Day number 3 of early goose season. We got Nick on the end. Brady right there beside him. I'm in the middle. Bobby. And then, oh, there he is. Tatum. Tatum's down there on the end, anchoring the positions. Now we just need some geese to get in the air.
No, get down, get down.
I don't know if the video or not, but that thing on Josh's is sticking straight up in the air. His hood thing. Does it go clear down? Or it does, somehow or another. I had it on my head, I think. So what you're saying is it's my fault? Oh, I don't know, I'm just trying to think of what it could have been.
Well, the first group too, when they were right here, Tatum flipped his up.
Yeah. He was ready to bang him at 100 yards.
Yeah.
It was right there though.
Kind of rethinking our configuration here. We had a couple groups fly to the west of us and then fly to the north where the first group went to. So we're wondering if we ought to just shift the blinds, shift the decoys a little bit, and then hope that more geese get airborne. Got the snackers down there. Yeah. Closer, aren't they? Sure sounds like it. Turn back to left now. Come in front of us.
What is that about?
Where'd they go?
So,
Came from? Huh. That's a big group too.
That's 40, 50. That's 40 or 50 of them right there. That one?
Does a fish swim?
I think so.
When the goose hunting becomes extremely slow, it's snack time. Huh. Unfortunately, we got Tater, we got Robert, Brady, and Nick, decoys, but we have no geese. But we had fun, that's what matters. But that's a wrap on today's goose hunt. We'll be back after them soon, I guarantee it.